The arrival of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra not too long ago showed that Xiaomi has what it takes to compete with premium smartphone cameras on the market, working with the likes of Leica to offer consumers something different from the rest of the competition. In terms of camera hardware, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with a quad camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel main lens, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, accompanied by a single 32-megapixel front-facing camera. There's even an exclusive photography kit which includes a dedicated grip case, as well as camera software features developed with Leica. With all that being said though, results from DXOMARK's in-depth lab testing and global ranking system placed the 14 Ultra at 13th place with an overall score of 149 points. For context, the top spot is occupied by Huawei's new Pura 70 Ultra, with other big names like Apple and Google in 6th and 8th place, respectively. DXOMARK does it that it's the best Xiaomi phone they've tested so far. According to the tests, the overall photo quality of the Xiaomi Ultra 14 is good thanks to wide dynamic range, low noise, and pleasing colors. On the other hand, the device does not offer zero shutter lag, and the levels of capture detail are lower versus other devices in DXOMARK's ranking system. Other positives include telephoto zoom, as well as video recording with good exposure, dynamic range, and color quality. In video tests, the Xiaomi device delivers an excellent performance, with good exposure and a wide dynamic range, nice colors, low noise, as well as effective stabilization. However, noise found within indoor and low light footage, occasionally slow focus transitions, and sharpness differences between video frames do affect the phone's overall score.